yesterday we have just made our first ever pumpkin cupcake and we want to share it to you guys. So we have a clip about it and do you want to see it? Are you curious? Let's check it out! First of all, we need 60 grams of cooking oil, 3 eggs, cupcake cups, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, vanilla essence, 200 grams of sugar, 60 grams of margarine, 225 grams of flour, and 300 grams of pumpkin.
First, add cooking oil, margarine, and sugar. Then beat it with a handheld mixer until light and creamy. After that, add vanilla essence, baking powder, and eggs. Mix it again. Add pumpkin puree. Anyway, we made the puree by steaming the pumpkin and mashed it. After that, add the flour.
Pour the mixture into the cups, but not too much because it will expand when we bake it. After that, preheat the oven. Put the cupcakes into the oven for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Last but not least, decorate and garnish it as you want. So that's how we make our pumpkin cupcake. How is it? Do you like it? If you like it,
please like, comment, and subscribe this channel.
thank you everyone. Bye. Have a good day.